Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos. And today I'm going to be sharing a review of the This Is My Era budget planner. I have reviewed This Is My Era here on the channel before. I will have more information in the description box for you to check out the brand. Special thanks to the This Is My Era team for sending me this planner to review. But with any review here on the channel, all opinions are my own. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So this planner, I'm very into my finances right now. So this planner is perfect to be sharing with you guys. The This Is My Era budget planner is a full year budget planner that includes savings tracker, debt tracker, and a yearly overview. The cover is a hard cover. You have the two bookmarks. There's an elastic band in the back. And this planner also came with some stickers. So you have some flags here: bills due, payday, debt free, shopping, milestone, crushed it, some quotes, and then some icon stickers. This personally is my favorite page. So taking a closer look at the layout, when you open it up, you have the thank you card, the standard This Is Planner Belongs To page, the 2-page perpetual calendar 2021-2022. This one you're not really going to need because we've surpassed 2021. I would have preferred for this to be 2022-2023. But nonetheless, this layout would be great to mark your paydays and to mark your bills that you know, so you can just have a snapshot of it. Then there's the how to use this planner, the financial goals, saving tracker, your debt summary, your debt tracker, your monthly calendar, and monthly budget. Then there's your expense tracker, monthly review, holiday gifting, yearly overview, and yearly review. A good financial plan is a roadmap that shows us exactly how the choices we make today will affect our future. Then you have your financial goals page. There's 7 slots for that. You can get creative and add pictures in here, or you can just usually, keep it pen to paper. Then you have your savings tracker. What are you saving for? Your target date, your target amount, and then anytime you make a deposit and your balance would increase as you are saving. So if you're someone that uses sinking funds, this layout would work for that. Then your debt summary. So the debt name, your starting balance, the interest, minimum payment, and when it's paid off. Then the same with that savings tracker, your debt tracker, anytime you're paying it, what the balance is. So whether you have a credit card or multiple credit cards, if you have like a Shop Pay, Afterpay, Klarna, things like that, and it's a larger balance, you could use this for that as well. And there are a couple pages of that. Then we get into the monthly calendar. And if you guys haven't been able to see, this is an undated planner. So I love planners that are undated, especially when it comes to like your finances or even like a weekly or a daily, more so daily planning, because if you don't want to pick it up for a week, those pages aren't going to waste. You can just move on to the next week. So this monthly calendar, you have the calendar down here, a dot grid, note sidebar, your top monthly goals, to-do list, income, savings, and then you can highlight the month over here. Then you get into your monthly budget, your category, expected, actual, and difference. Okay, and there's 2 pages for that. Then you have your expense tracker, the date, the description, the category, and the amount. And if you guys want to color code, you can use a highlighter and color code the different categories. In my personal budgeting system, I have one for food, personal spending. Basically, if you have like an envelope type system, all of those categories that you color code, if you wanted to put those into whether it's digital sinking funds or a cash sinking fund organization type of system, all of those colors would correlate with that. So there's several pages of expense trackers. Then you have the monthly review. So your total income, your total savings, your total expenses and balance. Did I achieve this month's goals? This month's wins are things I need to improve, actions I will take next month to achieve my financial goals, and then you have notes. And there's so much that you can do with this notes page. There are so many savings trackers out there. If you wanted to take one of your specific savings trackers and make it more fun and, you know, add in stickers here, or if you want to create a vision board of your financial goals for what you accomplished during January, you can put that here as well. Any brainstorming, savings challenges, things you want to try in the upcoming months, great spot here in the notes page. And then you just move on to the next monthly calendar, and it continues all throughout the planner. And then you have your, at the end of the planner, you have your holiday gifting. If you don't save for anything else and you like to gift, gifting is something that you need to save for ahead of time. Stop waiting until the last minute, even if that's putting away $5 every week or $50, $25, whatever you can put away a month. The gifts are at your discretion what it is that you're going to give. But waiting until that season or waiting until someone's birthday to try to figure out where's this money going to come from, saving and having a gifting fund in general, a gifting savings, highly recommend. It's a game changer when you're like, okay, I have this to pay, but I'm supposed to be getting this person a gift. You don't have to worry about it. You go right into that savings. So they have the holiday gifting pages, the recipient description, what you expect to spend and what you actually spend. Then you can add it up here, and whatever you have left over, you can roll it into the next year for your gifting savings. Then you have your yearly overview, total income, total savings, total debt paid and debt left, a mini note section up here. Then you have your category and each month what it is that you spent. So those categories that you made and all that color coding would all go here. So how much you spent in food for January, how much your personal spending was. And this is a great gauge to see where you need to cut back in the upcoming year. Then your yearly review. How was my progress in achieving my financial goals? This year's wins are things I need to improve next year, actions I will take next year to achieve my goals. And then you get into some notes pages. And fun fact about this planner, the pages are numbered, which is a major plus. So when it comes to my pros and cons for this planner, I love that it is undated. I also love the price and size. You can't go wrong spending $20 on a budget planner or a planner in general. Also, the numbered pages, if you would like to go ahead and create a table of contents in the front, you have the ability to do that and be able to jump to different sections. But my biggest con is that there are no tabs, but there's a solution for that. You can always get tabs from, say, Dollar Tree, or use stickers that you have in your stash to separate the different sections. So you can create a monthly, you can even cut labels that are big like these in half and create your different sections, and you'll be good to go. But overall, with 10 out of 10, recommend this planner. It is very straightforward, and I love that there's a minimal style design to this, that you can add your stickers if you so choose, or you can just keep it strictly pen to paper. So I would highly recommend this. For the price, you really can't beat it. So special thanks to the This Is My Era team for sending me this planner to review. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. If you are not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Would love to have you stick around. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.